If you are new to my channel, it's me Ankita. Please take a moment and subscribe my channel. I make videos related to makeup and skincare. And today I have created this beautiful soft Onam look from all my South Indian friends out there. Not only South Indian friends, this look can be worn beautifully with every jewelry and outfit. It is simple yet elegant and beautiful look. If you want to see the complete tutorial, then please keep on watching. First of all, I will start with toning my face, and for this I am using this plum green tea toner. It is best for oily acne prone people. And then for moisturizing I am using this Pond's light moisturizer. And then for my primer I am using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus primer in the variant matte. I am using it in the center of my face, basically my T-zone, and blending it beautifully. Then for the foundation I am using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. For the inner and beautiful glow I am using this Swiss Beauty illuminator and mixing a little bit illuminator with my foundation for the overall and beautiful glow. And by making dot I am applying it overall my face. And as today I want to keep my base natural and smooth, so I am using a brush for blending my foundation, as beauty blender soaks too much of foundation. And you can see my face look flawless but yet not cakey. And for the concealer I am today using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer in the shade medium and applying in my usual places where I highlight, or you can say conceal. It is my highlighting shade of the concealer. I usually use this for highlighting my face. And I am blending this with this Blue Heaven beauty blender. I have a full review on my channel of this beauty blender. If you want to see, then please check out my channel. And you can see how beautifully it is blended, and it has given a good coverage to my under eyes. And for setting my face I am using this Sugar loose powder. It's a banana powder, and I am applying it only on those areas where I have used the concealer. And then with the help of a fluffy powder brush I am dusting it all over my face. And then I am using this Music Flower eyebrow pomade in the shade dark brown for filling my eyebrows. I generally like fuller and filler eyebrows, so that's why I am filling it completely. If you want natural looking eyebrows, then you can skip this step or do a little touch up. Then as I am going to keep my eyes subtle today, I am using a neutral shade all over my lid and also putting it downwards to my lower lash line. And then I am using this NYB Kajal on my upper and lower waterline, because today I am going to create a black smoky wing, smudgy wing liner look. Then I am using this Music Flower gel liner for drawing this wing liner, which I am going to smudge later on. With the help of this angular brush I am drawing a small wing liner, as we usually draw a liner like that only. If you have hooded eyes, then please make the liner small, not too much broad, otherwise it will make your eyes look more smaller. And one more thing, if you want a liner tutorial from me, then please comment below. I will surely share a eyeliner tutorial with you all. And you can see I have drawn a feline liner today. And For smudging this, I am going to use a flat smudger brush, and slowly I will smudge the liner to make it a smudger look. And you can see slowly I have smudged the complete liner which was in my lid, and I will going to smudge the lower lash line also. Generally this smudging process takes time. Please take your time and smudge it nicely, otherwise it will be a whole mess. I like to do my work slowly and beautifully for that perfection. And you can see the complete eye look. I have kept it subtle today, and I am using this eyelash color to curl my eyelashes now. Then I will be using a mascara, and for the mascara I am using this Wet n Wild Max Volume Mascara in my upper and lower both lashes, and will coat it beautifully. Later on I will use a false lash. If you want to skip this step, you can completely skip the false lashes, but be sure that you have used a good voluminous mascara. And for the blush I am using, first of all, this from the Sugar palette, a peachy tone blush. I am totally skipping contour and highlighter today because I want that beautiful subtle finish makeup. And next I am using this coral pink blush from this SFR palette and using it on my apples of my cheek. Then I am using this Wet n Wild setting spray to set all my makeup. And for the lipstick I am using this Stay Quirky mini lipstick in the shade 11. It is a mauve nude shade. You can see how beautiful the shade is. And for the top coat I am using this MAC lip gloss on the top of my lipstick because I want a glossy lip today. And with this I complete my today's makeup. You can see the final look. I have wore this with a green border white sari, some traditional jewelry. I don't have that South Indian jewelry, please pardon me for this. With some gajra, bindi, and it's done. Please comment below, do I look like a South Indian girl or not? I have tried my level best. Please let me know, do you like it or not? This makeup look can be worn in any function, occasion because it is subtle, beautiful yet too much elegant. I really love my overall look. And happy Onam to all my South Indian friends out there. Stay happy and blessed. And with this I end my today's video. I hope you all like this makeup tutorial. If you like it, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. I will be back with another video soon. Till then, bye bye, see you soon, love you all.